Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Highlander's starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your battery's negative terminal, then the positive. This prevents electrical shorts. Next, remove the battery and its tray to gain access. You'll need common tools like a 10 mm, 12 mm, and 14 mm socket, along with a ratchet and extensions. Always work on a stable, level surface. With the battery out, you'll need to clear some space. Remove the air filter housing and any other components blocking your view or access to the starter. The starter is usually found on the driver's side of the engine, often beneath the intake manifold or near the transmission bell housing. Once located, carefully disconnect the main power cable, usually a 12 mm or 13 mm nut, and the smaller solenoid wire connector. Now it's time to remove the old starter. There are usually two mounting bolts, often 14 mm, holding it in place. Use your ratchet and extensions to loosen and remove these. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle the old starter free from the bell housing. It might be a tight fit, so be patient. When installing the new starter, ensure it aligns correctly with the engine's flywheel before tightening the mounting bolts to about 27 foot-pounds. After the new starter is bolted in, reconnect the solenoid wire and the main battery cable, tightening the nut to about 15 foot-pounds. Then, reassemble everything you removed: the air filter housing, battery tray, and finally, the battery itself. Connect the positive battery terminal first, then the negative. Give your Highlander a test start to ensure everything works perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.